Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E87. The first thing that you'll need to do is to right click your Steam application and then click on properties. Now from the target, you will then just have to copy this one. Okay, that's right. So copy and then go to your search bar and then type out run and then click on it. So from here, just paste it, the one that you have copied, and then leave a space slash repair. Okay, and then click on OK. So right after that, your Steam application will launch and you're good to go. So if it does not gonna work on your PC, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall the Steam application and reinstall it. So on how to do that, you will then just have to go to the search bar and then type out add or remove. Okay, and then click on it. Then from here, you can use the search bar at the top to search for your Steam application. So let's type out Steam and look for it. Okay, so here it is. So just click on the uninstall option, and then right after uninstalling this application, you will need to download it and install it again on your PC. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.